At Hunter Christian School, we grow up knowing that we're seen, known, and valued.
This is a place where faith and learning come together, helping us discover the gifts God has placed in each of us.
For more than 40 years, our school has been built on faith, excellence, and a heart for service.
And we've learned that education isn't just about what happens in class. It's about shaping our character, our thinking, and our future.
Our teachers are passionate Christian educators who help us build confidence, curiosity, resilience, and the skills we need for the world beyond school.
As we grow, we're guided personally, exploring our strengths, discovering pathways we hadn't imagined, and preparing for whatever comes next.
University, careers, or new opportunities, we learn to step forward with purpose.
We're part of a school that is reimagining education, giving every student the chance to uncover what they do best.
Here, leadership isn't something we wait for. It's something we practice every day through real experiences that build teamwork, problem solving, and global awareness.
Our learning takes us overseas, seeing the world, meeting new cultures, and discovering that our future can be bigger than we ever thought.
Because here, we're not just shaping students.
We're shaping futures, one student at a time.